Go ahead, fire when ready. They're calling for a storm here to hit tomorrow afternoon.
Ma'am, I'm gonna need you to. Is this my section? My
I'm gonna have my sister, before she leaves, we're gonna run a quick test to see if she still has some shooting skills. She used to, but you know, she's been in Texas a while, so we gotta make sure she's up to snuff here. So let's get a little shooting on, huh? Oh, do it. Can't have Heidi rusty on her shooting skills. Let's see if she's still up to the challenge. Very nice. Go and fire when ready.
Okay, wait. 1, 2.
What?
I did?
Yep.
Should I keep going?
I
Awesome.
stood on this side and got all of her rounds in the face.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, every one of them. Did you get burned? I don't know. They kind of flicked off my face really hard.
I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, should I be on your other side? Or maybe we can stand like a little bit
her
farther.
bullets are way larger and they burn more,
And mine
and they
would
would
come out
kick in
the
your
same
face.
side too.
I'm gonna have you stand that side. Okay.
Go ahead, fire when ready. Hello, happy peoples. I've got a co-pilot here today. Are you feeling better today? How's your head?
It's great. It's doing great, man. Last time I didn't feel like at Christmas. I didn't feel good, and then I got better and better and better, and then I just got better and better and better, and then right now my head doesn't hurt. So
At all?
I'm so happy. Yes.
Nice. Well, and here's the next thing in a row. You guys ever notice it seems like things just kind of there's always something going on. They're calling for a storm here to hit tomorrow afternoon. So I've got to take all this trash, first of all, so I can make room in my car. And we are going to go do some shopping, get some like food in case we're weathered in here for a while. They're calling maybe some power outages. So I'm gonna go pick up our other 2 generators, so I have them all in one spot here. So we have 3 generators. We have our, we're gonna go get some fuel and some electrical cords to be able to set up temporary power at our house here, as well as some of our rentals, in case we have outages for long periods of time. And Audrey's gonna help me, and this should be a good time. I don't know how well the roads are gonna be because there's all kinds of snow all over everything. Yeah!
I lost my keys in the great unknown. Call me please, 'cause I can't find my phone.
All right, guys, since we've got some snow coming here, I'm gonna pull into one of my rentals that we have, and I'm gonna get it plowed probably tomorrow. But first, I need to get a good pack kind of established. So I'm just gonna literally drive around the parking lot and try to beat down a nice pack so the blade has something to run on. Here we go. gonna go see if we can get some gas cans and our spare generators, load them up in the car, head back to the house. Actually, we're gonna stop and get some spare cords and stuff to go with it. But.
And we're gonna give the six a little surprise.
Oh, we're gonna get a surprise for Evelyn because Evelyn didn't get to come. You think she's sad about that?
I'm sad.
All right, careful, the snow's deep. I just tried to knock it down a little bit by driving around, but it's only gonna get worse. Oof, oof. Let's see what we can see here. Luckily, there's an app for that, right? Actually, all the gas cans might be in the property right now. I don't remember.
Hi guys. Well, we had an epic fail. We went to the property to try to go get generators, and then it ended up that Daddy forgot that the generators are at Mr. Pat's house. It's Daddy's friend, and Jared, which is Daddy's work friend, Jared's car is the generators in Jared's car, so it's a little. Daddy totally forgot that.
Sorry, I can't remember everything, can I?
No. So we had 2 more stores to go to after this, and go get a surprise for Evelyn and Garrett. I'm gonna go get them a little something since they didn't get to go, and Daddy might get me a little something. So we'll see. Enjoy coming out. So getting some fresh air is nice.
Nice.
All right. Well, I'll see you there then. Bye.
This is where we're gonna go to Century Hardware. All right, that's a little high. Can you reach it for me?
There.
It's the red one, way up there.
Okay. Ready?
Yep, good. Nice.
Got it.
Good job. So we just need one of those. That'll work. Let's roll.
Hey, we parked really close.
Yep, it's not too far.
What form not to do?
Not it.
Even she knows that's not it.
Let's do the other
Okay. This one. Is this right?
You're so cute, honey. You're so cute. Work your set, Evelyn. Work it. Good form. Hold the form. Keep it tight.
I'm swell.
You feeling swole?
Yeah, swell. Can barf. No, I'm just kidding.
Ma'am, I'm gonna need you to. Is this my section?
My shot?
My section? Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can not sit there. Okay.
Am I judging you right
Yeah,
now?
you're judging. You're judging me right now.
Got this. It hurts so bad.
It hurts so bad, man.
I know.